Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Filmora video editing software. And in this video, I will show you on how to customize your toolbar in Filmora video editing software. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you come to the top right here and go ahead and make sure you click on this particular icon right here. So once you click on it, this is dialog here is going to open up. Then from your toolbar in the environment right here, you have redo right, you have undo right here, you have undo, redo, you have delete trash icon, you have cut out, you have crop, you have audio file, you have type 2. You can click on here, then this will allow you to see more. Now, how do you add and customize, subtract, remove as many as possible, rearrange your toolbar in your Camtasia video editing software? Let's say, for instance, I want to add text-to-speech icon right here. So we can drag and take it right here, and it will automatically be added, just like what you see right here. You can see now we have text-to-speech after the trash icon right here. Let's say you want to remove your trash bin icon, drag it out and then bring it down right here. Then you can see trash icon is no longer here. Then we can replace the trash icon with another thing. Everything depends on how we want to customize our toolbar right here. So I can decide to go ahead and add this particular. So I can decide to add the speed icon right here. I can drag it in here. So we have the speed icon after the undo. So I can rearrange it this way so that we don't get confused. So we have our undo and redo right here. We can decide to take this to the back right here, and then we can decide to take this to follow. So we have them at the back of our. So we can decide to bring in one of the most useful tools in the sections right here from the top right here. So I can decide to rearrange this right here. Then I can go ahead and bring in my drawing tool into these sections right here. So you can go on and rearrange, recustomize your toolbar. Once you are done, come down below right here, and what you want to do here is to hit on save right here. Once you hit on save, then you have everything that you have been rearranged right here. So if you click on here, you see more to in these sections right here. So if I click on if I make any clip active right here, all the tools will be ready to work. So this is a speed tool right here, so which allow me to speed up or slow down my clip right here. Then we have we have knife icon, which allow you to cut any part. So if I click on it, you can see it cuts in the timeline. So press Ctrl Z right here. So if I select the clip again, then here we have another tool right here, which is choose a smaller section of your image to keep. So here we have our drawing tools right here, which allow us to draw shapes such as rectangle, arrow. So if I click on it, you have different shape right here. So if I want to draw any rectangle, I'm going to go ahead and select on it. Then I can decide to draw a rectangle right here on the screen right here. So we have a rectangle right here. I can decide to work on this particular rectangle. I can animate it from the property bar sections right here. So we have different ways we can animate our rectangle. So I can decide to choose any of the animation options right here. So if I click on the animation right here and I decide to play my video right here, so you can click on it, and then so I can decide to use this type of animation. So I have to select my rectangle right here. So I can decide to use this animation right here and right click on it and hit apply. So let's play the video. You can see it has been fully effect, Ctrl Z. So I can decide to bring down my rectangle from the top. So select on the animation right here, right click on it and hit on apply. Now let's play the video. You can see it automatically drop down right here. So like so, brightness right here. So it's that simple. So this is how to simply customize your toolbar and how you can use that in Filmora video editing software. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Filmora video editing software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.